Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, April 9th. An overall warming trend coming up this week with 30s today. We'll see temperatures climbing into the 50s by the end of the week. And if you get south of the warm front, you could even climb into the 60s. And that would be for late Thursday into possibly very early morning hours of Saturday. We could see some thunderstorms as well and some pretty good rainfall. Again, much of that coming during the end of the week. But for today into tonight, maybe some more snow, maybe traced to possibly an inch. We could see some convective nature in some of the showers this afternoon that could be rain and snow. But some of the heavier precipitation rates would probably bring down enough to slick the roads up and with a quick burst of snow. So we'll keep an eye on that for this afternoon. But overall, not really a big deal for most areas. Yesterday we had a high of 38 and a low of 20. Our normal high is now in the low 50s. Normal lows down around 30. And you can see so far for April, a cold 15.6 degrees below normal per day, taking us to one of the coldest starts to April of all time. And with the extended outlook calling for more cold air to move back in later next week after the warm up this week, it's very likely we could see April go down as one of the top 5 coldest months, Aprils of all time. You can see so far for the month 3.7 inches of snow, which is above normal, and we're above normal for the season with 46.7 inches of snow. Out there this morning, you can see temperatures mainly in the upper 20s to low 30s. Looks like our Nuevo computer is down again, so we're having some issues with that computer, and we'll see what we can do to resolve that issue. On the satellite view this morning, you can see some of the colder cloud tops. Winter storm warnings in portions of Iowa, where 3 to 7 inches of snow with some freezing rain has mixed in there. So very treacherous out in that area. You can see some of the colder cloud tops with snow showers coming into southwest lower Michigan. And again, as we get heating in the atmosphere later on this afternoon, we can see more of the area get some convective type rain showers and snow showers. And again, some of the heavier ones could drop enough to coat the road surfaces if it falls heavy enough. And you can see some of that activity moving into the southern part of the state at this early morning hours. As far as the weather map, again, for this morning, that low pressure system will continue to weaken as it moves to the east-southeast, and again, a mix of precipitation. Again, where you get heavier bursts of precipitation rates, it'll be mainly snow. Otherwise, it could be a mixture of rain and snow across, especially the southern portions of the area. Now, if we look at the Friday 7 p.m. map, you can see temperatures quite a contrast. Only in the 30s up around Isabella County, if this were correct, with 60s just 2 counties south down into Clinton County. So again, a very, very big temperature contrast to the north of that. That's where the heaviest precipitation should fall as well. And again, how warm you get is going to be very dependent on where this warm front sets up. As far as the snowfall over the next 72 hours, you can see this would be for mainly today and tonight. And again, that snow, additional snow out in Iowa. And again, it's weakening as it heads to the east. As far as though the next 8 days, and the European is very much on board with the GFS. Places in the western UP could get 30 to 40 inches of snow with the entire Upper Peninsula on both forecast maps producing a lot of snow. Even into northeastern lower Michigan, there could be some significant snow as well. So definitely wintertime continues, and right into Ontario, this is a huge area of at least 20 to 25, maybe 35 inches of snow. So again, winter is well and live in the UP. As far as the precipitation over the next 7 days, you can see the warm front looks like it'll make it up into this area right now. I think the best bet will be across the southern portions of the area, and that's where I think you'll see the warmer temperatures, a better chance of strong thunderstorms. The heaviest precipitation, however, will be off to the north of that warm front, where up to 2 inches of precipitation could fall, and a lot of that could be in the form of snow as well, especially in the UP back to the west. Again, this could be a pretty interesting storm here for the end of the week, and we always want to watch. Not likely to happen. If that low pressure system that tracks across southern lower Michigan or northern Indiana were to be a little farther south, things could get interesting for mid-Michigan. But right now, I think it'll be mainly a rain event. We could end with some snow on Saturday, and then much cooler temperatures for much of next week again. As far as the forecast goes, you can see the nice warming trend that could take us up around 60 degrees on Friday with those thunderstorms. A period of showers possible Wednesday night as the initial warm air starts to really push in. But again, that doesn't look like a big deal. Looks like most of the precipitation will fall in the Friday night, and Saturday morning time frame out ahead of that cold front. As far as weather watch this morning, advisories and winter storm warnings off to our west. Michigan is high and dry at this moment. Things will get more exciting, I think, by the end of the week, though. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.